beautiful. Now here's the thing. Aisling Ani has never before done a design that features the opaque stones. This one is off the charts in terms of the beauty of it. Okay, 298-820 is your item number. It's priced at $109.90. Let me just tell you, this is a lot of necklace for $109.90. 3 flex payments, $36.63. Okay, I'm going to start right up here at the top. These are garnet beads coming all the way around, and then they alternate with your rose beads. Not only that, you also have freshwater pearls intermixed along, and these beautiful silver beads, which if you want to bring that back to, for example, the garnet ring that we offered a little bit earlier, it would work back with your garnet ring. It will also work back if you would like to match it up to your today's special. So all kinds of different options in terms of bringing a ring in. Now, you come down here, and the drop on this is 30 inches long. Now, this is where it starts to really get interesting. You have a circle right here in the middle, all done with rose quartz. Come on down a little bit farther, and you are going to see that beautiful love knot that is featured. Of course, everything symbolic when we talk about this beautiful line of Celtic jewelry. And then more garnet beads, the freshwater pearls, along with your rose quartz beads, and then all of that, $109.90. I want you to see this on Andrea, because when you see the impact that this piece has, it is so special. When we talk about the Aisling Ani line, Aisling actually means vision, and Ani actually means beauty. So it's a combination. It's actually two women's names that were put together to create this line. The line has been in existence for just about 15 years. It's about 2 years since we actually started carrying this one. But again, never before has it featured these beautiful opaque stones. I have never seen a design like this with a Celtic touch to it. So you have the meaningfulness. In fact, when you talk about just that Celtic love knot, the cycle of life, right even at the toggle closure in the back, you have a claddagh design on that one. So every single centimeter of this means something. And let me just show you that toggle closure in the back featuring the claddagh design. Yeah, right back there. Look at that. The touches are exquisite. I have 100 of these to go around. If you want this one, do order it quickly. But this is something special right in time for St. Patty's Day. I can't believe it. Is today the 6th? March 6th? How did this happen? I mean, this year is absolutely flying by. I mean, just so fast. St. Patty's Day coming up, Easter right after. In fact, St. Patty's Day and Easter is like all in like the same week, isn't it, this year? It's crazy. I don't know. You know, card companies going to miss out on an opportunity there. They're too close together this year. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Let me talk about just some of the symbolism of this. When we talk about that beautiful, for example, the way that this has been created, you have that cycle of life symbolic love knot. And that piece itself is just about 3/4 of an inch long. You can see that beautiful rose quartz, the cycle of life that is symbolized by the love knot. Then you also have just all of the inspiration of these pieces. Most of them are exclusive to us here, so you're not going to be able to walk into a store and find the Aisling Ani line. That's why when we bring you pieces, when we say this is our Silver Explorer show, this is all about different countries that we're able to bring you these beautiful designs from. I think this is spectacular. What a piece that truly gives you the design you're looking for, that is an impact piece, that gives you a tremendous value, and all for $109.90. If you want to try this one, give it a try. I have less than 100 of these now to go around. Probably, I will keep you posted on this, and this may very well sell out in the next couple of minutes. So 298-820, 3 flex payments, $36.30.